Yeah, the Arabs know how to do it.
It was the same. It was the same per night. Here it was like a change because this is my fifth World Cup. We just spent our first night here in this area. It's very far from Doha. It's like an hour away from Doha, but it's nice. It's a different experience. Like you're gonna staying on the beach, staying in a tent, and like I told you, it's the first night, so we want to figure out what is here. It's far, but it's really different.
Well, it's a really, really nice place because you're like in the middle of the desert, and then you have this amazing area where you can watch the matches, and it's not full of people, so you can be relaxed. If you go in the transportation they provide, it's like a mess because you have to take one bus, then another bus, then get to the Lusail train station.
Little messy, you say. I absolutely agree with him. All messed up. This place totally messed up. Hospitality is very poor. Very poor. We came here in the morning. We stood on a queue for a very long time just to get our rooms, and when we got our rooms, it was all messy.
Because you're close to the airport, do you notice the airplanes?
Yeah, and I love it. They're just flying, just beyond it was, and I just saw a video. It's the first time. It's nice, yeah. And it looks that it's too much disturbance. And people are enjoying the game, and the planes are passing by, and the planes are there until 2, 3, 4 a.m. So it doesn't matter, it doesn't bother.